Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to open recent tabs in Google Chrome. Ever accidentally closed a tab or wanted to revisit a site you were just browsing? Don't worry, we've got you covered with this updated method to access your recent tabs in seconds. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. First, open your Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once it's open, you're ready to retrieve those recently closed tabs. Step 2. Access the menu. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu filled with tools to enhance your browsing experience. Step 3. Find recent tabs. From the drop-down, hover over the History option, and you'll see a submenu appear. In that submenu, click on Recent Tabs. This feature is a lifesaver. It shows a list of tabs you've recently closed, making it super easy to get back to what you were doing. Step 4. Reopen your tabs. Once you're in the Recent Tabs section, you'll see up to 5 of your most recently closed tabs listed. If you had multiple tabs open in your last session, they might even be grouped together for easier access. Just click on the tab or group you want, and it will reopen in your current window. Why this feature rocks? This handy tool saves you time and frustration. No more struggling to remember URLs or digging through your history. With just a few clicks, you're back on track and browsing effortlessly. Summary. To recap, all you need to do is 1. Open Chrome. 2. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner. 3. Hover over History and select Recent Tabs. 4. Click the tab or session you want to reopen. And there you have it, your browsing session restored in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more helpful tutorials. Happy browsing and see you in the next video.